Um, I in the reasons why I chose to do my study in both honors and masters level to revolve around Chiga Info Desk because at that time I was learning a lot from Chiga Info Opilo. So I wanted to do a study that would improve um, uh, my work, and so that I'll be able to be better in the work that I do. But further to that, since Chiga Imfundo was sort of piloted, I wanted to check on the impact. I wanted to know whether whatever we're doing at the time was really working, as to get some form of feedback and to learn more on the work that was done by Chiga Imfundo Pilo. We were the value that we saw on Pilo's presence in the district was huge. Was huge because at the time when we started to be introduced to Pilo, I was a circuit manager. And as a circuit manager, one of my roles by then was to manage a curriculum across. So we thought it brought us value in terms of understanding our job. I remember at that time they even gave us tools on how to do our job better. So it really assisted us in terms of developing us, making us better. But I want to draw your attention on, for example, on issues of curriculum coverage, on issues of key practices, your individual practices and collaborative practices, which then led to issues of professional supportive conversations, which I thought were an aha for me, because most of the time teachers will work in silos, will struggle all by themselves, will not be able to talk to other colleagues in terms of their challenges. Because all what we want is that teachers must teach and learners must learn. And the presence of Pilo in our district helped us to be able to help schools to teach and for learners to learn better. In my own point of view, one of the ways we can ensure that education improves going forward, I'm a firm believer that in everything you have to do, foundation is very important. I think our major challenges in education are brought about by lack of foundations, foundational knowledge. Because when learners cannot read, for example, at the foundation, reading is the cornerstone of every subject. So if learners cannot read, it then creates that gap that can't be closed. So I believe that what we can do moving forward in education is to build good foundations. Foundations of numeracy and foundations of reading. I believe what we must do is build on good foundations. Foundations on literacy and numeracy, where learners are taught how to read, because reading is a skill. It's not something that happens automatically. So if you can start there by teaching learners how to read and teaching learners on numeracy skills, we can go a long way, because numeracy or reading is the cornerstone of every subject.